I'm going to go over Tesla on the 5-minute time frame and give you some price levels to watch out for on Monday. We ended on Friday at 179.33 in after hours trading. To the middle of the trend would be 178.44 roughly. To the south side of that, 174.86. 173.17, and finally at -4 standard deviations, 171.42. If we should go back up, that takes us to 181.99 roughly. To the north side of that, 183.74. And at 4 standard deviations, that is 185.53. And notice back here, we did fill a gap to the downside. And right here, this is considered resistance, resistance, and resistance. And what happens when a stock hits resistance? It tends to bounce a little because people are buying the dip. And notice when we hit this level, this is support right here. And what happens when a stock hits support? People are taking their money and their profits and they are running. And what happened? The stock cratered and sold off. And then of course it hits support and then it bounced up again and the cycle continues. Let's take a look at this on the daily time frame. And I want to thank a viewer named Murat for pointing this out. Murat says, take a look at this on the daily. The conditions are good for people who are possibly wanting to get in on Tesla. So on the daily time frame, to the north side, at the middle of the trend is 237.61. To the south side, at -2 standard deviations, is 152.96. If we made it back down here, I would be gobbling up this stock. Let's take a look at this on the RSI, and we're kind of it looks like we're just coasting here, and we're not quite oversold at 30, but we did hit it previously. But now it looks like we're just going sideways. The MACD has not crossed over to the upside yet as well. We need both of these to turn up to show us that there is a sign of a reversal, and it is not quite there yet on the daily time frame. Let's take a look at this on the monthly. And we are basically at the middle of the trend right here. To the north side of that on the monthly again is about 316.51, and to the south side would be roughly $46-ish and let's say 94 cents. I doubt if it will go that it would go this low. And let's take a look at the RSI, still selling off, going down, the MACD crossing over to the downside. So we'll have to wait to see if it actually hits 30, which is oversold. We have never hit the oversold zone, but kind of close right here in May of 2019. So let's see if we go that low, and the RSI would be at 37. All right, that does it for me. If there is a stock that you would like me to go over, please let me know. The next one I will go over is AMC. Thanks for watching.